Assalamu alaikum students. Hope so you all are doing well. We are doing classification of living things and the topic is the protist. Protists are small living things that cannot easily be classified as plants or animals. What does it mean? It means that they have both the characteristics of plants and animals. The plant-like characteristics includes that they can make their own food. And the animals-like characteristics includes that they can move from one place towards another. Examples of protists are algae, amoeba, Euglena, and Paramecium. In your book on page number 3, the first one is the amoeba. As amoeba is a unicellular. Unicellular means single-celled, made up of a single cell organism that has the ability to change its shape. Amoeba lives in fresh water. It eats by wrapping itself around its food and then absorbing it through its cell membrane, as you can see in the given diagram. As I mentioned earlier that amoeba lives in ponds, like they lives in the water bodies in ponds, lakes and slow moving rivers. The next example of protist is Paramecium. It is also a unicellular protist that is covered with hair-like threads called cilia. Cilia are the sensory organelle. Why? Because it helps the paramecium to swim about in water. It is also having a kind of the mouth and stomach to eat and digest food. And the paramecium lives in water around the world, as you can see diagram of the paramecium given here. The next example of protist is Euglena. They are also unicellular protist, and it is a strange kind of the protist because it can make food by using sunlight like plants. It is also having a characteristic, and what is that? That it is having a tail that is known as a flagellum, and with the help of flagellum they move about in the water. It has an eye spot, as you can see clearly in the diagram given here, and the eye spot is responsible to distinguish between the light and shade. What we mean by the shade? Shade means any dark area where light is blocked. And here your topic is complete. Thank you. One more thing, students, the questions related to these topics are given in your book on page number 13. Question number D, are protist plants or animals? I told you earlier that they are sometimes classified as plants and sometimes they are classified as animals on the basis of their characteristics. So the answer will be that they cannot easily be classified as plants or animals. And the next question related to this topic is, how does the Euclena move about in water? So you can easily answer this question. How does it move? It moves with the help of whip-like projection that is called flagellum.